G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be trying to fix this blinker and headlight. So two totally different problems here. The blinker is working intermittently. It goes flash, flash, flash. No, it sometimes works and it sometimes doesn't, so it's pissing me right off. I do believe it's probably the globe holder, so we'll give that a go. And the headlight has two friggin' screws that go down into here, into the top bits there, and they're been blown out, and they were blown out when I bought the car like 20 years ago, and I'm only just sort of getting around to doing it now. So if you watched my last video, I showed you how it was getting held in there by, and this one here we are going to use they're not lock nuts, they're collapsible nuts. Rivet nuts. I'm going to use rivet nuts and we're going to see if that's going to work for us. So let's give it a go. I'll start off and I'll tell you what I'm doing along the way. So the first thing is we'll take these headlights out, and they're just bloody roofing screws basically holding it in there. Grab that like such. It's a wire for my emergency bonnet opening in case the solenoid fails.
There you go. Oh, do I need to put the parkers on or anything for it to work?
No, it's working. Well, it's not working, but it's working. So let's change over from a frigging
Off-brand?
Yeah, bloody Chinese made aftermarket. What the fuck? Why? That is bullshit.
That light bulb's not glowing, is it?
No, shouldn't be. Bloody brand new. This is fucked. Oh, man, I'm so over this. What is wrong with it? I just honestly don't fucking get it.
Oh, look.
So what is going on?
You turned it and then it started working again.
Such a fucking pain in the asshole.
Very fucking temperamental.
I don't get it.
That's why you always do that.
Where do you go, you fucker? Come on.
And there it goes again. Stop.
It's ridiculous.
So now don't put it back in there again?
The top. Alright, so we'll drill out our second hole. Go. Fuck yeah. You fucking dog. Beautiful. That works well. Okay. Now, next thing I need to do is solder these bastards on. That goes on that, that goes on that. These, take all this crap off. These go over the top here. Like clips in the bottom there. Put a washer on it. That's that one. There's one more. There we go. Bloody beautiful. Look at that. Solid as. Very nice. Alright, there we go. She's repaired. That's all we needed. Alright, well, thanks for joining us. You'll be good. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.
Cosmo, railway.